Today I will be doing a rainbow look in honor of Pride. I'm going to start with my base, go into eye makeup, and then finish it off with a bold statement look on the side of my eye. We want to focus on an invisible heart with the surrounding vibrant colors of the rainbow. So first off, I've already primed my skin, done my skincare. I'm using a mattifying primer just to hold everything in place since it is summer outside. What I'm doing now is applying my foundation with a beauty blender, making sure it's a little bit more seamless. That way it can build up the layers onto the skin. I do wait a little bit in between each layer to make sure they're dry so nothing gets too cakey. Once the foundation is on, go ahead and grab your favorite concealer. I take one a little bit lighter than what I do put on my full foundation. Blend under the eyes and a little bit onto the eyelid to prep for our eyeshadow. Once we have our concealer liquid on, we want to set that all together. I'm using a translucent powder from IT Cosmetics. Just to warm up the face a little bit, I take a slanted contour brush with a light brown shade on the outside of the face and the hollows of the cheeks. Once the face is contoured, you're going to take a smaller brush with the same contour shades to contour your eyeshadow and bring that into your nose. Just to intensify the contour a little bit, I grabbed a darker brown shade towards the outside of the eye. I'm now using a NYX Cosmetics pencil just to fill in the sparse areas of my eyebrows. Now, since we are working on the bold part of the makeup look, you want to place your heart sticker down. Use a cream base to lay a really good priming potion for all the vibrant colors that we're going to be using. I'm going to go in with our rainbow look. The first color I'm starting with is a bright red. Personally, I do like them to be a lot more vibrant, so you're going to see me in the video with the second layer added. Once we have the red down, go ahead and grab your favorite orange. Now that that orange is set, I go in with my favorite yellow from Sugar Pill. You will see me go back in with many different brushes just because I do like to add a little bit more intensity and make sure that the blend is nice and seamless. Now that the yellow is down, I grab a green. Bring that up into the blue just to make sure it has a nice transition. Grab your favorite purple. That's the last color we want to blend back into our first red. I do like the colors to be extra vibrant, so if you feel like they do blend together a little bit too much, go back in with the second layer of your favorite eyeshadow. If you are having trouble with the heart sticker not staying in place, make sure to use a flat eyeshadow brush to press the pigment onto the skin as opposed to rubbing it, otherwise it will lift up a little bit. Going back in with the blotting powder under the eyes and the T-zone of the face. I'm using one of my favorite mascaras from IT Cosmetics. I don't do more than 2 coats just because it is only going to act as a primer for the lashes to stick onto. Once you have your false eyelashes on the top, you want to add a little bit of mascara to the bottom to balance everything out. While the eyelashes are drying, go ahead and grab your favorite lip color. I'm using a nude just to balance out what rainbow look we've done on the top. Since I'm not using actual lipstick, I am going to apply this lip liner towards the outside of the lips, blend in, and then apply a chapstick on top. Just finishing the other under eye with my mascara. Go ahead and remove your sticker and you have your invisible Pride heart look. Final touch, adding a little bit of blush. This is our LGBT rainbow-inspired Pride look. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If there is any specific looks you'd love to see, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.